Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, I will show you how to find hidden application from iPhone. Basically, this video is wrong from privacy point of view, but it might help someone or might be helpful as well. So, now talking about the video here. In this video, I will show you one trick which will help you to find an application from iPhone, and that application can be hidden by an iPhone user by using any trick, any application, any third-party application. But you will come to know, with this trick you will come to know whether that iPhone user has an application in his iPhone or not, or how to find an application in iPhone. Very simple trick. Let's start the video here. So guys, the answer is very easy. Just go to the App Store and search for application. So for example, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, any application you want to find out, just do one thing. Go to the App Store and type the or search the application like Instagram, and here automatically that application will come up. If that iPhone user have the application, there will be option called open because it is already there in the iPhone. If that iPhone user don't have application, there will be icon to install the application. Alright, so like that you can understand or you can come to know whether that iPhone has the application or not. And from App Store itself you can tap on the open, and automatically from there it will open the application itself. If it is locked by third party or iPhone default setting, it won't open, but mostly it will open as per the my experience. So guys, that's it. Go to the App Store and type or search the application name, and you will come to know whether the application is there or not in that device. That's it. So guys, I hope it is a helpful video for you, and if yes, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.